Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream. Make him the cutest that I've ever seen. Give him two
Good afternoon, Yun's grade 11 information. Since your advisor is not here yet, I'll be the one to introduce your new classmate from province. Come here! Please introduce yourself.
Marahay na aga sa inyo, Gabos. Ako si Raisa Suliman, 17 anyos ako. Asin taga-Bula, Kamsur ako.
Okay, you'll sit beside Miss Peroya. I'll leave now and just wait for your advisor teacher. Good morning, class. I'll be your advisor for this school year, Ma'am Jolian Velez. I've heard we have transferee in our section. Can you please stand up? You are Raisa Suliman, right? You seem shy. Where are you from?
Bula, Kamsur.
O, taga-Bula man kami ni Ms. Fernandez. Kamsur. Iyo. Okay, welcome to BNHS. Feel free to ask questions about our school. You may now sit down. And we may now proceed to our next lesson in Gen Math, which is the future and present values of simple and general annuities.
Hi, I'm Pao. And you're Raisa, right? Where did you transfer?
Province is boring.
Oh, how so?
Kadakol na hapot.
She's kind of weird. Just focus on the discussion.
Wait, let me retouch first. School early. Okay, we'll wait you outside. You and Nancy, let's go. Heidi, don't scare me.
Okay niya.
Kaya nga,
Hinala.
Where's Pauline? Why she's taking so long?
Yeah, I wanna go home now. Wait, I'll go see her. You go first.
Okay, bye-bye!
Heidi, come here. Help me bring these files to the faculty office. Pauline? Where is she? She might have left.
Villano.
Present.
Soliman.
Present.
Imaranan. Liwanag. Almarines.
Present.
Beloya.
Where's Pauline? I thought you went home together last night.
What? She was no longer here last night when I followed her. I thought she went home first.
Nagduman siya sa banyo ka sa banggi. Alagad day na nagbalik.
Ma'am, Pauline's body was found dead. The back of this building. There are a lot of policemen to investigating the crime scene.
What happened to her? Pauline? Pauline, what happened
You
to her?
cannot enter. This case is under investigation. Is that my daughter? Pauline? Pauline!
Pauline!
What happened to her? Who did this?
Pauline!
Pauline! What happened to her? Huh? Who did this? Pauline! Excuse me, sir. As of now, the investigation is ongoing. We can say that the suspect is very sharp-witted. No CCTV evidence was left behind. We only saw this bracelet was stabbed in her chest.
Good afternoon, Encarnacion. Okay, so due to the incident earlier, the school had decided to cancel all the classes. You may all go now except for you, Miley. You will stay here for the interview.
I thought you already went home. What are you doing here?
Mag-ingat ka. Ibad ikaan masunod.
What's wrong with you? Hi guys! So for today's video, we found the cat and we're gonna feed her with this cat. Oh, let's go!
She's so adorable.
Yeah, such a cute cat.
Let me feed her.
They said they found a dead student in the other early this morning. Yeah, I heard it too. They said it was a classmate of the student who died just the other day. Yes, they say it was Myla Almaris who was found earlier.
There's anything to do with among the students.
Did you hear that?
Who did you say? Miley?
Yeah, bro. Who would even do this to mine?
Let's go to the classroom. Guys, we heard that Miley's
Is it true?
Killed her.
Oh my gosh!
All of this started with that transfer arrived. First, it was Pauline. Now it's Miley. Who are you going to target next? Guys, that's not true. Why did you tell me? Why did you tell me?
Wait! Calm down! We must not jump to conclusions! There isn't enough evidence to say it was Raisa who did all of this! As your president, I ask for your help to solve this systematically, not just jumping to conclusions or blaming anyone.
Yay!
Let's stop!
We must go,
It's
guys.
done now! Oh my gosh!
Oh, what happened?
There's a need from the rest.
Take her to my office and since the aircon is on, I'll be back in a minute.
Thank you, ma'am. Wait, let me find some water first. It's a shrub, this. Raisa, Tennessee, come inside. Look what I saw. This is Pauline's brush, right? You know the shrub this. And also our pictures.
What are you doing with it? You two, you can go back to the classroom. Rice, stay here.
No, ma'am. We prefer her outside. Let's go.
Those makeup brush and mirror belongs to Pauline, as far as I know.
And even those pictures. Where does she have them?
I saw her on the night Pauline died.
What?
She came out of the restroom as if she were carrying something in a large bag.
Wait, what does she have to do with what's happening?
I'm confused.
I have a plan.
does this mean?
What are you doing in my house?
Ma'am Teles?
Ma'am, what's this?
Ano ang buot sabihin ka ni Gabos na yun? Ika daw ang nagagadan? Ano ang rason mo?
Mayo kang alam, kaya mayo kang derecha na ka na.
Hula! Kain ka. Kaibuhan ta ka. Kaibuhan na ililig mo ang buhay na sa kuyang aking babae. Tawan mo ko yung panahon. Sabi mo na mo. Tawan ka mo yung buhay na nito gusto. Kaya mo daw ka mo. Sa panahon ng bilang na bulan. Daming ka.
Kaipuhan ko na yung mga buhay tanganing maibalikan sa imong buhay aki ko. Gigibuhon ni Mama ang gabos para sa imo.
And your lives will be the answer for bringing my child back to life.
Bum 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 bum. Mr. Sandman,
Tapos na ako ni An Gabos, bulan.
Make him the cutest that I've ever seen. Give him the word that I'm not a rover. Then tell him that his lonesome nights are over. Sandman, I'm so alone.
Good afternoon, News Grade 11 Encarnacion. In spite of everything that has happened, though some may be lost, may we all move forward. Let us forget all the bad things happened in the past. I'm happy to have you back in this classroom. I'll leave now and just wait for your next subject teacher.
Bum 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 bum. Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream.
Bum 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 bum.
Make him the cutest that I've ever seen.
Bum 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 bum.
Give him two lips like roses and clover.
Bum bum bum.
Then tell him that his lonesome nights are over.